For connecting computers to a switch router, we use straight-through cables. Materials: 1 UTP Cat5 Cat6 cable, 2 RJ45 connectors, crimping tool, and wire strippers. Optional material: cable tester, for testing finished product. With the help of the wire stripper, strip off about 2 to 3 centimeters from the outer jacket of the cable. Please note, do not strip the wires themselves. Strip only the outer layer. Under the outer jacket, there will be 4 twisted pairs of wires, 8 wires in total. Follow the following color code, called T568B. Place RJ45 connector upside down, with the clip downward and gold contacts upward. Check whether all wire tips are visible through gold contacts on the other side. Connect both sides of cable to cable tester. All 8 lights should be blinking from 1 to 8.